Respondus Lockdown Browser is a tool for increasing test security, although, as a disclaimer, it is not a perfect system, and when coupled with outside technological issues, it can inadvertently lock students out of a test they should otherwise have access to. Thus, it's recommended to use it discerningly. The main function of the tool is the lockdown browser itself, which keeps students from accessing external materials on their device. This software can also allow automated proctoring, which uses the student's webcam to track facial movements to see if they are possibly looking off-screen at another monitor, phone, or notebook. To get started, navigate to the course you'd like to implement the lockdown browser in and turn editing on. Find the Add a Block section of the sidebar and select Respondus Lockdown Browser from the drop-down menu. Next, scroll down to find the Respondus block and click on Dashboard, and then continue to Lockdown Browser if you get the prompt. To set these two individual functions, select the drop-down arrow next to the test you want to set up and click Settings. Click Require Respondus to see the rest of your options. You must do so in order to add the proctoring function. Click Require Respondus Monitor to enable automated proctoring, which will give you a lot more options to review and tweak if need be. If you use this feature, keep in mind that it takes Respondus time to process the video recording of a student, so it's best to check these recordings a few days after the exam for any possible discrepancies. Click Save and Close when you're finished, and if you have any other quizzes that need Respondus, you'll need to repeat these steps for each one.